Day of my life as an accountancy student. Taro nga. Time to check out from Baby Hotel. And I don't know what to do. So guys, pakadto kami sa Nature Spring. Yeah.
And then I tell him, as I turn out the light, that's the high. Oh my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Declared. But to those undeclared, happy anniversary, man.
Ayos, ayos. Kapil, bayo, gwapo.
Where are you? Ano ba mo? What mo talaga sa akin? Host, ano mo? Ganda doon. Di ba ganda? Tulog ka mo? Muna ka mo?
Day of my life as an accountancy student. And today we are here at Nature Spring. Nature Spring. Sana may libreng tubig. Let's go! Din ko man. System.
Tila tagalan.
So guys, tapos na ang tour and we have free water with, I don't know, with something holdy thingy.
Pwede 50,000.
Kukuha tayo.
Flag of Philippines.
Wow! Thank you!
Wow!
Thank you, Nature Spring. My favorite water. #1. Wow, I'm so happy!
Asan tayo?
We are at the Petron.
We are in La Union.
And you!
Camp Johnny. Sa right side is the Panagolo Mark.
We are now on the way to the mansion here in Baguio.
Wait lang mo.
Apat kami babati sa'yo, pre.
Hi guys!
Where are we?
Tabok sa mansion.
The mansion. Yes, the mansion.
Along the mansion. And today we are going to Tabok sang the mansion.
Yes.
Wala kami kabalo kung hindi basta muna. Look at this.
It's very beautiful.
It's so nice.
Heart is the heart. Pwede mo flower pit na.
Hmm?
Anday, buwan pa ako sa mga kadito ka?
Ta. Washong.
Baka tanong ni, may cactus niya.
Hi ma'am! Hi sir!
Hello, vlog.
Tia, strawberry.
Mayaw sila, sinabi mo.
Strawberry.
Sinabi mo sana, mas
Dalawang strawberry.
Ating kay ma'am, strawberry kayo.
Wow. Abo.
Wow, wow.
Uy. Mukhang masarap kuya. Talaga. Dalawa yun sa'yo.
Yan, pang may limo
Thank
pa.
you.
Isa rin sa inyo ba?
Yan, yan mo, yan.
Come here. Tara. Salamat kuya. Thank you. So guys, tapos na kami sa Minds.
We got us!
Strawberry taho. And also, umulan.
Yes, kaya babalik kami ng early. Hindi
Yeah.
namin naubos yung 1 hour.
Hindi naman niya ubos yung 1 hour, pero nasulit namin yung photos. Napakadami yung nakuha namin, guys! Hi, sir!
Hi! Hi vlog!
Hi, Nong Bell! Haboy. Hi, Mel.
Hello.
Hi, Bon. Hello. Hi. Cute si mo.
Key holder. Dito sa anong room niyo?
Color blue ka ni.
Ay, wala to. Matakot